Hey YouTubers, this is Go for Bob on the Go for Bob channel, and today we're doing a creator set. This set is set number 31072, and it is called Extreme Engines. Small creator set, 3-in-1. That's the back of the box. They're the other two sets you build. That one being the primary one. Probably the better one out of them all. And that's it. It's a good set. I do like the design, that's why I got it. I love that. I thought it'd be cool for my racetrack. Let's have a look inside the box. Okay, because it's a 3-in-1. Alright, spare pieces of course. Because it's a 3-in-1, you get 3 booklets. Of course. And this one here. So there you go, 3 booklets for it. So we'll show 2 in there. This is the one I chose to build, and that's it. 40 steps. Actually, these other ones. A bit of advertising. There's another creator set. 34 steps for that one. Oops. And this one, I think it's got piece count in it. Alright, so there's a piece count. So that's the instructions for this set. Great little set. Really, really good. I like the lines. It is 109 pieces, no minifigs. However, if you want to, you could sit in a Snow Speeders pilot or B-Wing pilot, whoever that is. I think it's a Snow. It could be Dak or it could be Luke. Anyway, that's it. There's the air intake vents. It is nice. This is why I got it, because it's pretty good to what would you say it'd be, maybe Formula 3 maybe, definitely. But yeah, you could stick in your minifigs, but yeah, maybe a Formula 3, maybe a Formula 2, no, maybe 3, something like that. But or maybe it's supposed to be a Formula 1. But I would sort of say Formula 2 or 3, something like that. But yeah, it's really nice. That there moves. There's the air intake for the engine with the exhaust. You get some wing mirrors. Steering wheel doesn't steer, but yeah. And then we got the fins at the front. The spoiler. That's it. It's nice car, a really nice car. I like it. I just like the smooth lines and everything. So anyway, guys, that's it. There's nothing much to it, but nice anyway. Just smoothness. It's a nice car. I like it. All right. Anyway, guys, thanks for watching, and we will catch you next time. This was released in 2018. This set. Probably could have got it in December somewhere in America. In Australia, it's just come out here recently. So okay, thanks for watching, and we will catch you next time on the Go for Bob show. Bye.